Regarding signal processing, you will see this screen where you can apply baseline correction, backward filtering, and look at the results and the plots. To do this, you have to import some ground motions. You can either do this importing from an external file by clicking on the file button on toolbar upper left and import ground motion button. You will import your ground motion, for example, in a txt file, and you will insert here the information as the first line, the last line, the format in order to see how many columns you have and these columns, what is the meaning of these columns. In this case is time plus acceleration. The second column is acceleration. The first column is time. And you will also have to insert your input acceleration unit, in this case is G, and your output acceleration unit that you decide to see in the application. So if they are not equal, in this case they are equal, but if they are not equal, an automatic conversion will be applied. After you did so, you have to click OK, and this ground motion will be imported, as you can see in the loaded records, and then you can choose what type of baseline correction you want to apply, linear, quadratic, or cubic, and which type of butterworth filtering. So, for example, bandpass, bandstop, low pass, high pass, also the order and the frequency range. After you selected these parameters, you have to click apply, and you will see these results with these plots. So the filter type that you choose, the uncorrected ground motion, the corrected ground motion, you will see one on the other to see an immediate, comparison, and you will also see this table with all the values. This is the baseline correction and filtering tab, but you can also see the time series tab, where you will see compared to each other the original in gray and the modified in blue accelegrams with these plots in acceleration, in velocity, and displacement. After, you can also analyze the Fourier and power spectra with these two plots, again with original in gray and modified in blue. So the plot will, you can see this plot, the frequency and the Fourier amplitude on a side, and also the frequency and the power on the other side. And the same values that you can see here visually are inserted here in this table. The same is for signal analysis. This is a tab where it's a textual tab where you can see all the parameters and how they change from the original signal to the modified signal. So this was a case with an imported record from a file, but you could do the same thing by going on a ground motion selection panel, selecting how many records you want, for example 4, clicking on action in toolbar upper left, and go to signal processing button. In this case, you have to select the component that you want to import there, for example, all axes. After clicking OK, this will be automatically imported here, and this will override the previous import, and you can then specify which type of filtering again you want to apply, and after clicking apply, this will be applied on all the records that you selected, and by changing them in this active record window here, you can change the record that you see, and obviously the plots will change because they will refer to a different ground motion. After you finished your work here, your processing, you may want to export your results, so you can click here on export result, and clicking here you will choose a destination folder, for example the download folder here, and after selecting this download folder you will see that it will be downloaded in this folder a very nice bundle with all the results and plots that we already saw in the application.